And as you can see by today's title and thumbnail, in today's video, man, we're gonna be introducing some new modifications to my baby Kirby over here. Oh! That's the nickname I got for her right now, but y'all gotta give me a better nickname. I don't know. I'm just gonna call her Kirby. Don't mind me, I just got done working out, so I look a little crazy. Here's the box we got. There's some stuff in here. Y'all really gotta tap in. Watch this. I've already seen it. I'm not gonna sit here and cat. I opened the box already. But look, check it out. So here we got one bag. Hold on. 2, 3. Hold on. 4. We got 4 bags. Can y'all take a guess on what is in these plastic little baggies? We got some side markers. So we got 4 side markers for each spot around the car. And y'all gotta guess the color as well. I'm gonna let y'all guess the color. I'm not gonna tell y'all until I put them on. We have a controller right here. This is the biggest surprise, y'all. Y'all ready? Biggest surprise. I'm gonna take it from behind my back.
What?
Got Lord Demon. As y'all can see, man, custom made Lord Demon badge for the front grille. I don't know if I want to put it down low or up here. I'm thinking about putting it right here, I'm not gonna lie, and then just running a wire through there to give it some power. So we got a badge, we got 4 side markers, and I believe that's it. All right, but before we get started with the video, man, before we actually keep going, y'all seen the modifications, y'all seen how nice this is, bro. Look how nice this came out, bro. Clean, bro, no imperfections on this dog. It only took a week to ship, bro. So look, before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to them. Fratelli Garage, I might be saying that wrong. I think it's Fratelli Garage. I'm gonna put them up right here. Go follow them, go get your mods from them. They do anything, bro. They sent me a front splitter. They sent me the decal on the side, the Demon John. Let me show y'all. I don't know if y'all seen this yet. Y'all did see it last video, but they sent me the Demon decal. They sent me all this right here, side markers. They do anything, bro. Anything you want, anything you need, wraps, headlights, they do all that, bro. So go tag them with them and tell them lorShift sent you. So I'm gonna show y'all the results once we get done putting this on and the side skirts. Y'all gotta let me know. Like I say every time, just rate it. Go down in the comment section below and give me a rating on it. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna continue to keep adding mods. And let's get to it. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. This ain't gonna be a how-to video, but I'm gonna kinda just show y'all what I'm doing. So we're gonna start off with the best modification first, right? We're gonna start off with the Lord Demon badge. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy tool bag, cause y'all know I'm an electrician, so we gotta have this on us at all times. As y'all can see, we got our tool bag on us. Type sheet. It's not that heavy, I promise you. I'm just dragging it, but throw me in shit right here. All right, so we got our tool bag right here. This has everything we need to install the badge and the side markers. We don't even need this much, but you know me, I just like to have everything in one area because I'm always gonna need more, even when I don't think I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. It might already be popped. Yeah, it's already popped. Mind you, I only installed this like, I think once ever, and it was for my brother SRT Nick. Some of y'all know him, some of y'all don't. We got the big Demon engine. Y'all see that, John, bro? This joint hot as hell. We got the Lord Demon right here. Oh my gosh. This is what it basically comes with, y'all. This is the badge right here. So basically, it looks like I gotta take these bolts off right here. So there was 2 nuts right here. I took them off. It looked like it come with a back bracket. Yeah, this is the back bracket right here. So this joint go right behind it, I guess. I don't know how the hell I'm getting my hands behind here, but we gonna make it work. And it's trickier than I thought, y'all. It looks like, yeah, that's a good spot, right? That's a good spot, right? I think right here is perfect.
Yeah.
Because it's not to the side, too much that way, and it's not too much that way. All right, y'all, so this is what we gonna go with. And if we gotta make some adjustments, that's what we gonna do. I can't wait to light this joint up, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. So we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna have this run right through the back. I'm glad that this is like small enough to fit through the grill because I kind of got scared a little bit. I thought the wire, like the cable part, wasn't gonna fit back there, but oh, it looks like it disconnects here too. So yeah, it'll work. Sometimes I explain shit a little like shitty, so just bear with me, y'all. I'm bad at explaining. Well, come back here. Ooh, this don't hurt, bro. I can't. Hold on. Got the badge on there, as y'all can see. I think that's definitely a great spot right here. It's not too, like I said before, it's not too like focused on that way. It's like kind of straight ahead a little bit. I didn't want to put it directly in the center because I feel like that would look corny. Maybe I'll move it to the bottom eventually, but I think the top is better for now. So we're just gonna get our hands back here. I don't know how the hell we're gonna do this. Yeah, bro, this might be hard as hell, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this install is very shitty if your hands ain't small. As y'all can see, man, I look pretty much dead. Your boy ended up getting the light on. Let me show y'all real quick. So I had to lift this part up. Originally, you're supposed to take the bumper off, so that way it's a lot easier to do it. But I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just lifted this little flap up and got my hand like in this little gap. It's a gap right here. And then screwed the two bolts right here. And then I ran the wire through the front. Got it through here. And then I put the negative right here. Let me show you real quick, come closer. I put the negative on this joint. And then I got the positive right here. It did come with this little fuse tab kit, but I don't know what's really going on. It's not enough fuses for me to figure this out right now because it's extremely late and I'm tired. So I just stripped it and I'm gonna put it on my positive terminal on the battery. So that's what we're gonna do. Y'all gonna see the reveal with me. So we're gonna see how this is. So I stripped it with some strippers. As y'all can see, it's long enough, right? I got a 13mm socket. Yo, do not laugh at my Johnny Impact. I promise y'all, I'm getting a new one. Just bear with me. Just don't look at this, y'all. I got a paddle bit stuck in this joint, and yeah, it's just I got it taped up. So just don't worry about that. But without shocking myself, I'm gonna get this joint right here, just like that. Now let's see if it's on, y'all. You ready? Big reveal. I'm not gonna turn around yet. 3, 2, 1. Ew, this joint's crazy. Yo, this joint's crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It got like different effects to it and all that. I dead ass thought it just turned off, but it's like doing some other stuff. Let me show y'all. So you got a remote right here. I believe this is for that. I don't know what's going on. Here we go. I don't know what's going on. Is there a battery in this joint? Technical difficulties. I don't know if there's a battery in here. This might be for the side markers. I don't know. I'm not changing the colors though, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, y'all. So, unfortunately, I couldn't get the remote to work, so I did have to download the app. And I'm using my phone to record, so I can't really show y'all too much. But we got the badge working. As y'all can see, it's nice and bright. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. The camera does no justice, bro. Like, y'all gotta see this in person. Like, this is crazy. It's like extremely bright, damn near as bright as my headlights. So it's a great mod. Shout out to Fratelli Garage. I do gotta install the side markers. I don't know if I'm doing that tonight or not. I might just do one. Do the rest tomorrow because it's a little late. But yeah, man. Like, let me know what y'all think. 1 through 10, comment section below. Feel me? I just gotta tuck all these wires in. Cause like y'all see, it's a lot of shit going on, man. I gotta get all this put together. Don't mind the Johnny duct tape. I lost my cover because I drove without my hood and the cover flew off, so I had to put duct tape over it. Like I said, the install, I would rate it like a 1 out of 10. I rate it like 5 out of 10. If you take your bumper off, it'll be easy. Obviously, I didn't go that route. I wanted to just install it without taking the bumper off, and that's what happened. I ended up getting it right. I got both of the bolts on it, so it's nice and tight, as y'all can see. That joint not going nowhere. There you go. I might do one side marker and show y'all the rest later on, but I don't know. I'm tired as hell. It's late. Once again, for the 18,000th time, if it wasn't for Fratelli Garage, none of this would be possible. You feel me? I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't have the front splitter. I wouldn't have the Demon decal on the side. So shout out to them. I'm definitely putting a sticker on my car just for y'all. You feel me? So if y'all see this sticker on my car, just know Fratelli Garage, man. Tap in, bro. Just go get. They got anything you need, bro. You need a front splitter. You need an LED badge. You need a decal for your RT, for your scat. They make it, customize it, and do all that. Like, they dead ass customized this, made it, and put it on a light for me. They looked out for your boy and got me right. So go shop with them. Do not shop on Amazon. Amazon got that cheap shit. Go to them. They're gonna get you right. Just go to their page. I'm gonna throw their Instagram right here and tap it. I'm gonna throw this sticker on my car so y'all know what this FG means. Like I said, I'm gonna install one side marker real quick. It should take me like 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like when we get done. I apologize for the wind. It's very windy where we're at right now. And I apologize for the glare. It's a lot of lights and shit. So, but yeah, y'all, just bear with me because your boy lorShift is trying to get back on this recording shit. I gotta get back in my groove. So stay tuned. We don't want these orange and red shits no more. I don't even think the bathroom works anymore, which is great because I get to replace it with this white one. So we don't want this orange and red light no more. We doing all white. So that's what we're gonna do. You ready? You see the orange? Watch this. Boom. I know this is the other side, but as y'all can see, bro, this joint is nice. No more orange, man. This white looks way better, bro. Like I said, the camera does no justice. If y'all were looking at this in person, bro, y'all would see like, all this is just lit up, bro. Just bright as hell. Like, a bright demon badge, bright headlights. I did get this one in as well over here, but I gotta mess with the wiring because I think the wiring is messed up. See it? I just gotta re-splice this wiring in the back, but once I get that together, y'all gonna see it all put together, bro. Yeah, arm dirty as hell, hands dirty as hell. Yeah, bro, face probably dirty as hell. So, but it's worth it. It's worth it. You gotta go through these things to make your car look like this. We're probably gonna pick the camera back up in a few days and give y'all more modifications or whatever it is that I'm gonna record. So make sure y'all don't leave the video yet, cause y'all see how this is looking, bro? You gotta stay just cause it looks like this. And give me a nickname, bro. Like, I need a better nickname with this joint. Once again, I apologize for the wind. I apologize for the glare. It's your boy lorShift, and I'm gonna catch y'all later on. Just give me a second. I'm gonna pick up the camera again in a few days. So stay tuned. Back at it, man. Hold on, y'all. Before I put it in, y'all know I gotta.
What do you mean by that?
There we go. Type shit. But we are at the E85 pump, y'all. Like we are every other damn day. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I spend about $400 a week on gas on this demon. The one thing I can say is every fill up is like $40. I actually don't spend like $400. I'm lying to y'all. I probably spend about like $100 to $150 on gas. But every fill up is like $40, $50, something like that. This is where I'm at every other day. So if you ever want to catch me lacking, just meet me here. So I didn't record this, but your boy ended up doing the side markers as well. Let me show y'all what that looked like at nighttime, because y'all probably gonna want to see it. I don't know why this front one be tweaking, bro. There we go. See? Just gotta give it a little love tap. And we got this joint over here. Ew. And then we got the back one. Ew. They kind of look purple when you get real close up to it, but maybe I'm tweaking. I don't know. This wheel looks crazy, bro. This wheel looks like I done ran over some damn... I don't even know what to call it, bro. This shit is bad. Curb rash all over this joint. Your boy cannot drive sometimes. But whatever. And we also did put on the Fratelli garage sticker as well. Yeah, just in case y'all thought I was lying, we actually did throw that on. So yeah, it's gonna be right there. It might not be straight. It's kind of frying me, but whatever. I mean, it's whatever. But yeah, y'all. So once again, shout out to Fratelli Garage. It's like been a week since I recorded. The last couple clips y'all seen of me in that little garage, that was like a week ago. So yeah, I had to update y'all real quick. Oh, look at that. $47. Take it out real quick. Yo, if anybody knows how to fix back doors, please let me know, because I took my car to get wrapped, and I told, so when I picked my car up, side wraps, he had took the door handles off, and I don't know if it's because I rushed him a little bit, but he didn't put them on right. So he told me to take it back to him, and I just don't feel like driving all the way to Jersey to get him to do it. So I told him I was gonna do it myself, and I tried messing with this one myself, and it just didn't go right. It's still not opening. It's not opening from the inside or the outside. So I need y'all help. So whoever knows how to fix doors and can look out for your boy, let me know, because I don't know how to do it. So I've been struggling. I've been trying to pull the little latch on the inside. Feel me? I know what y'all gonna say. Pull the latch on the inside. Take the door panels off on the inside. I did all that, bro, and nothing's working. So I don't know. I just don't know at this point. So whoever can get this open, let me know. I was gonna kick it open, but I didn't want it to be stuck. So if you really know what you're doing, yeah, hit me. My Instagram is lorShift. So other than that, man, like,
I might record a little bit tomorrow. You feel me? Give y'all a nice little POV drive. Give y'all some flybys or something. But man, y'all see how she looking, man. Like, we got the white side markers. We got the Lord Demon. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. We also moved this to the left side. I don't know why I had it over here at first. It was like kind of some fried shit, but I think it's because everybody else has it on the driver's side, so it kind of messed my head up. And normally this Demon head or Hellcat head is like on the right side, so it kind of fits in right here. So I'm gonna keep it right here for now on the passenger side. But y'all see that joint? Y'all see that joint lighting up? It definitely like completes the car. I ain't gonna lie. I just gotta wrap that side skirt, and then I'm gonna get, I don't even know what you call that shit, bro. Like the joints to match the front lip, the extender side skirts. I'm gonna get that to match the front lip. So yeah, she gonna be complete. And then I'm gonna get Fratelli Garage to send me white decals for the side. We got one over here. The other one's at Side Wrap Shop. I still don't feel like going up there to pick it up, but it's nothing over here right now. So yeah, it's little things we gotta fix up. But once I fix all those up, we probably gonna end up cutting the hood out, you know, showing the supercharger through the hood. That front badge looking real spicy type shit. Man, this shit nice though, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm glad that this car came complete. Feel me? I got tired of being called Johnny and half and Philly and all that. So we had to put her together real quick. I do want to get a new window because this joint is like, you can see from the side, that joint a little crack. Somebody try to jam that joint. Yeah, bro. I'm pretty sure y'all tired of seeing the car already. It's getting late, so I'm getting ready to go home. But damn, cuz it's like niggas know you're recording and they do nut shit like this. Like, why are you beeping the horn? I just wanted to show y'all, man, what we did with the side markers and how we put them all on, and then what we did with the badge. Let me catch y'all.
Now this shit different, ain't finna teach you how to swipe a card. I was knee deep in the scamming niggas, but was still in card.